Good afternoon, class. This is Shay Klessman for Java 2, Week 1, Class 1301. This week, I am going to try to do a rebuild of my Java 1 app, which was a weather app, and I would like to see if I can get it to have multiple pages and do more stuff to make it cool. I'm going to completely rebuild it, not using last month's app as a framework. I'm actually going to start from scratch, and I got pretty far this week. So far, from what I've learned in Java, it's getting faster and better, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. Again, I can't wait to see what I'll know in 4 weeks, but as of right now, I'm liking it. So we're going to go over what I did with my app next, and it's pretty much bare bones and doesn't pull from an API, if we can even see this. Alright, so my app is a blank app that has 3 buttons on it. These buttons are if we want to run a new forecast, if we want to pull from the history, if we want to go to the weather app page, which actually goes to the web browser, to be able to have it in there. This is where I'm going to a different activity. It gives the forecast length. Instead of using the spinner, which I used in Java 1, it goes to a new activity and we get to choose how many days we want of the forecast. Let's see if I can get this. So like there, we're doing a 4-day forecast. Click on next. Come on. Then a new activity comes up, and this is the forecast location. This is just simply entering a zip code, and it can only be 5 digits long. Let's see if I can even see this. You can't see it very well because of the reflection, but it does put it in there. You just hit next. And then when you get back to the front page, let's see if we can see this. Man, this is bad. There we are. You can see it brought all the stuff from the other activities onto the front page, showing that the 4-day forecast and the zip code I entered. And so I'm able to pull stuff from activity to activity. And last but not least, it goes to an actual web page, the web place that I got the API from, just to show I can do it. I hope that covered what we were supposed to do this week. Things I would do differently is understand probably what was being asked for more. I still am getting the explicit intents and implicit intents backwards, or whatever it is, and I have no idea if I got the manifest right. I know it said we were supposed to put in there stuff about our intents using an intent filter, but to get mine to work, I didn't need to put the .browser that was on there in the example in, and when I did try inputting it, it broke it. It didn't work, so I have it commented out right now. Everything else went pretty well this week, except for the same thing that I had from the first Java course, was I think that we need more clarification on logcat. I am stuck using log.i, but it would be really nice to know what logcat is, means, does, how to get around it. Everything else is working well, and it's so far a fairly easy stepped process. Thanks for your time, your effort. Hope you enjoy my app, and I think we're going to have a great month. Have a good day.